United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, issues immigration visas to foreign nationals seeking permanent residency in the United States who meet certain requirements. Immigrants with permanent resident status are issued green cards and can live and work in the United States. There are various kinds of immigrant visas, including immediate relative visas, family preference visas, diversity visas, and employment-based visas. A foreign national with an immediate relative who is a U.S. citizen can apply for an immediate relative immigrant visa. An immediate relative who is a U.S. citizen must file Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative, to begin the process of obtaining this type of visa. Beneficiaries currently living in the U.S. under a different legal status must file Form I-485, Application to Register Permanent Residence or Adjust Status. The applicant may be required to appear for an interview and biometrics collection once the application is reviewed. A beneficiary living outside of the U.S. must file for an immigrant visa through the U.S. consulate in his or her home country. Then, upon approval of Form I-130, the petition will be forwarded to the National Visa Center, which will review the petition and forward it to the U.S. Embassy or consulate in the beneficiary's home country. After successfully interviewing at the U.S. Embassy or consulate and passing a medical exam, the beneficiary will receive his or her visa. The number of immediate relative visas issued each year by USCIS is limited. Distant relatives of U.S. citizens and certain relatives of permanent residents may be eligible to apply for family preference visas. The process for applying for one of these visas is the same as applying for the immediate relative visa. The number of family preference visas in each category issued each year by USCIS is limited. Under the Diversity Immigrant Visa Program, foreign nationals from countries with historically low rates of immigration to the United States can apply for permanent residency. The number of visas issued under this program is limited to 50,000 annually, and applicants are selected randomly based on the number of available visas per country. Selection does not guarantee that a visa will be granted, as eligibility requirements apply. For qualified foreign nationals, approximately 140,000 employment-based visas are available each year. Each of these employment-based preference categories has its own set of requirements that must be met for an applicant to receive permanent resident status. For more information on the various types of U.S. immigrant visas, visit eb5affiliatenetwork.com.